If YouTube TV looks stretched, zoomed in, or parts of the picture are cut off, it's usually caused by display settings on your TV or streaming device, not the app itself. Here's how to fix it quickly. Start by checking your TV's picture settings. Press the Settings or Menu button on your remote, then look for options like Aspect Ratio, Picture Size, or Screen Fit. Change the setting to 16:9, Fit to Screen, Original, or Auto. Avoid modes like Zoom, Stretch, or Wide, which distort the image. If you're using a streaming device like Roku, Fire Stick, or Chromecast, check its display settings too. Go to Settings, Display, and make sure the resolution matches your TV, usually 1080p or 4K. Sometimes forcing a lower resolution solves stretched video issues. Next, restart the YouTube TV app and reload the channel. Some broadcasts are temporarily zoomed due to network formatting, but refreshing often corrects it. Also check if your TV has motion, overscan, or picture enhancer settings turned on. Disable these, as they often cause cropping or zooming during live sports and news. Finally, restart your TV and device to apply all changes. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.